Hi my friend, welcome back to the channel. I am Lina Hanson and today I'm going to show you the best technique to plump your lips naturally without any injections. And the beauty of this too is going to smooth out the lines and wrinkles around our mouth area. So let's begin. So for this exercise, you don't need any oil at all. You just need your fingers. So we're going to take our fingers and our thumb and we're going to start pinching our lips. So we're going to start wiggling from side to side like this. So let's get started. Beautiful. This is going to release the tension around our mouth area, but not only that, it's going to release the tension in our entire lower face, which is sometimes contributing to that kind of sagging skin and kind of the lines and wrinkles that we get here in our lower face. So by doing this exercise, you're really working on the entire lower face. So we're going to do this again. Beautiful. So this was just such a simple technique that you can do on a daily basis to really release the tension in your mouth, get some plumper lips, and reduce the lines and wrinkles around your mouth area. So I hope you like this session and I will see you in the next one.